What do you think about setting goals and achieving success?
Okay, setting goals and achieving success.
So
Yes, thank
actually,
you, Disha.
my dear sister, setting goals and achieving success means that what is your aim to do in your life. We have seen that every person wants to set a goal and achieve that. They want to be succeed in their life for their own facilities, for their parents, for their
VIP culture should be banned or not?
in the point of view of law is equal. So
Very good.
we have
That's
to
the point.
we have to consider everyone equal, as we have seen that in many kinds of temples. If you have given money, or you are a very well known person, or you are a very rich person, or you are a succeed person, so they will make a specific time, specific.
Hello guys, thank you for being here on my channel. You are watching the English Spoken Hub again with these students. I'm going to have a session here, okay? That is podium round today, which I'm going to hold here among these students to just practice English language, to be confident and to be fluent in English language. So are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, मैं यहाँ पे आज पोडियम राउंड लेके आया हूँ, ठीक है। जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया कि पोडियम राउंड कैसा होगा, आप में से एक स्टूडेंट को मैं सिलेक्ट करूंगा, ठीक है। वो स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे आएगा, ओके, बाकी के स्टूडेंट बैठ जाएंगे, ठीक है। जब मैं बोलूंगा उसके बाद उस स्टूडेंट से आप ना जो भी आपको क्वेश्चन करना है, ठीक है, बेसिक क्वेश्चन करना है या एज पर द स्टूडेंट, ठीक है, आप पूछ सकते हैं। क्लियर है? ऑल क्लियर? समझ गए ना? से यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
ओके, ठीक है। तो मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा, असद को बुलाना चाहूंगा, ठीक है। बाकी स्टूडेंट बैठ जाइए। क्लैप। चलो बैठ जाओ। ओके, वेल असद, did you understand that what is the condition and what is the podium round?
Yeah.
In this podium round, they all will ask the question, okay? So you will have to answer them, okay, as per your point of view. Clear? लीजिए, ठीक है, थैंक यू। अब यहां से क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे ये स्टूडेंट्स। सो आई वुड लाइक टू गिव यू द चांस। फर्स्ट इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ असद। असद,
So well, good evening, everyone.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग।
I'm Ashad. I'm studying in PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya Shalimar Bagh. I am here to learn English, and I'm here to make my goal to achieve a fluent English speaking. I'm studying under the guidance of Mr. Satyendra sir, as you all are studying. So that's all about me.
Okay, so well, here the students will ask you the question. So who will ask first? Okay, raise your hand, stand up. Okay, what's your name? Alia?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Alia, ask him a question please.
What do you think about India's corruption?
Yeah, India's corruption. She just wants to know that what is the corruption, okay, and the level of the corruption in India. If you have knowledge, you can speak. Sit down. Thank you,
Well,
Alia.
good evening, everyone.
Very good
Today I'm
evening.
going to talk about corruption. So actually, corruption means that the money which are government giving, or the facilities
यहाँ से
which
ले
are
लो,
government giving,
capture कर लो.
the facilities which are government giving are being corrupted in between the line. As we know that India is a very well known country, and we have seen that India is very corrupted at this moment. In this era, actually, we have seen that every minister or every person who works with the government wants to eat money in the line between the whole rule or the whole guidance. I want to tell you all that India is almost almost 75% of India is corrupted, as we have seen that Punjab is wholly at 200 or something square kilometer, and we have seen that the Punjab is 75% corrupted, the Karnataka is 76% corrupted, the Bihar is 69% corrupted. So we can see that the whole over India is 71% corrupted. We have seen
Okay,
that.
okay. Thank you, Asad. Thank you, Asad. Okay, clap for him, please. Okay. So, and next question, who would like to ask? ठीक है. Okay, Disha. Disha, what's
Yeah.
your question?
What do you think about setting goals and achieving success?
Okay, setting goals and achieving success.
So
Yes,
actually,
thank you, Disha.
my dear sister, setting goals and achieving success means that what is your aim to do in your life. We have seen that every person wants to set a goal and achieve that. They want to be succeed in their life for their own facilities, for their parents, for their guidelines. We have seen that to make your future better, you have to set your goals and achieve them. We have seen that achieving the goals are a great point of success. You have been success if you have achieved your goal. Thank you. That's
Okay, okay. बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश. ठीक है. And next who will ask the question, please? ओके, यस यस, हाँ जी, इशिका।
VIP culture should be banned or not?
हाँ, वीआईपी कल्चर, शी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट वीआईपी कल्चर शुड बी बैंड इन इंडिया और नॉट। यस।
Actually, my dear sister, VIP culture should be banned because we have seen that every person in the point of view of law is equal. So
very good.
we have
That's
to
the point.
we have to consider everyone equal. As we have seen that in many kinds of temples, if you have given money or you are a very well-known person or you are a very rich person or you are a succeed person, so they will make a specific time, specific day for you, banning all the students. Actually, I want to see I want to say that VIP culture should be banned because the main point is they are not giving that much equality which is needed in a democratic country. Thank you. That's
ओके, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, क्लैप फॉर हिम भाई। ठीक है, और यहाँ से कौन पूछेगा? ओके ठीक है, यहाँ पे दिखाइए कैमरामैन। यस, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Ayush.
आयुष। ओके आयुष, व्हाट्स योर क्वेश्चन?
Why are you learn English?
Okay, why are you learning English? Asad, why are you learning English? He's asking.
so. Actually, everyone learn English for their fluentness and for their own success. I have seen that many kinds of skills are needed while you are going for an interview. Everyone asks you that can you communicate in English, or you are good in English, or you are good in computer. These kind of things are called hard skills. We have to achieve hard skill as well as English is a hard skill. I am learning English to improve myself. I have seen that many kinds of person are nothing because of English. Thank you. That's
Okay, next question, clap for him भाई। ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया आसद। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप पूछेंगे? कौन पूछेगा? ओके ठीक है, इशिका। ओके, पूछिए।
What do you think about Indian culture?
ओके, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इंडियन कल्चर? बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन था।
So
ठीक है,
everything have its cone and a circle. I want to tell you that everything has its negative side and positive side. Indian culture is one of them. We have seen that there are many kinds of good things in Indian culture like equality. Many kinds of things are there, but some of them are bad. As we have seen that the caste system or the India is a democratic country, and we have seen that everything has to be has to be done in equality. We have seen that in our law. Actually, the whole things have to be seen or done in the presence of equality. I have seen that Indian culture is good for others. Actually, everyone is following Indian culture. We have seen that many kinds of foreign person are coming India to see the Indian culture. Thank you. That's
ओके, क्लैप फॉर हिम भाई। ठीक है, ओके, यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कोई पूछना चाहेगा? एनी ऑफ यू वुड लाइक टू आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन? ओके, कैमरामैन प्लीज। ओके ठीक है, यहाँ पे इस पोडियम राउंड में इस स्टूडेंट्स ने जो भी आंसर दिया है इनके क्वेश्चन के, मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइएगा। ठीक है, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।